Assalamualaikum student. Today we will continue our chapter which is globe and map. So take out page number 35 and today we will discuss about how to read maps. Map are designed and drawn for various purposes. Map को डिज़ाइन किया जाता है बहुत सी वजूहात की वजह से. We must understand the following purposes and expect to read and use of map. Now reading directions. How to read directions? A compass is an instrument used for reading direction. Compass like this. This is an instrument जो कि यूज किया जाता है directions को read करने के लिए. Principal point of compass are जो main point है compass के वो हैं north, south, east and west. These point are called cardinal point और in north, साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट को हम कार्डिनल पॉइंट्स भी कहते हैं. द इंटरमीडिएट डायरेक्शन आर नॉर्थ ईस्ट, नॉर्थ वेस्ट, साउथ ईस्ट, साउथ वेस्ट. These are the intermediate direction which is also available in the instrument of compass. Some compass show 16 और 32 points. कुछ compass ऐसे हैं जो 16 से लेके 32 तक के भी points show कर रहे होते हैं. Now this is the compass which contains the cardinal point which is north, south, east, west as well as intermediate point means north, east, south, east, north, west and south west. Okay, so today we will discuss all about the instrument which is used to read the map for direction. Okay, now mapping directions. Now mapping direction. For mapping direction I just opened page number 36 because here we have a complete map. Through this map we can easily learn that how can we use compass for know about our direction. So this is the compass with our map. In this compass we have 4 cardinal points and intermediate point. Now I will repeat it again that what is cardinal? North, south, east, west are called cardinal points and northwest, northeast, southwest and southeast are called intermediate points. Okay, now the following diagram shows from home to school. घर से स्कूल की तरफ जाना है. Now here is the compass which help us to reach from house to school. Now in this compass show the directions of north for coming out home like this. Means when the person coming out their house according to this compass his position is north. Okay, now person will have to turn into east side and which is right angle of the north, you can also see that on compass also. Okay, now person move from the east direction and you can also see that on a compass also. Okay, the road turn northeast and then east before reaching a crossroad. Now beyond the crossroad the person has to follow road running through south, southeast and east. Now you can see that जैसे जैसे person आगे बढ़ता जा रहा है he moved from the southeast and then south and then they moved. The final journey जब उसकी खत्म होगी वो होगी north to northeast and then north and here his school. Okay, now his position is north. According to this cardinal direction his position is north. So here we learn that how we use map how we use compass for map and how we know our direction through this compass. So thank you. We will continue this chapter on next class.